Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some tasty, fruity ramen shrimp complete. Yeah, it sounds like a lot. Okay, so basically, we're going to make a great dish. Okay, it's going to have some shrimp in it, some ramen noodles, vegetables, all that good stuff. Okay, let me show you what I want to do for you today. Alright, thanks for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up, please. Thumbs up is very, very important. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you in advance. Check out my links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And let's do it. Thanks. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is, I have some shrimp here. I think it's around maybe 8 shrimp. Okay. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to saute the shrimp. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so we're going to put some, it's called original flavored seasonings. It has in it onion, spices, black pepper, celery seeds, mustard, cayenne pepper, parsley, garlic, and some lemon oil. So we're going to put that on the shrimp. And I'm putting a lot on. Then I want to add some onion powder. And some, that's onion powder. And some garlic powder. I'm sorry. Let me show it to you. Onion powder. Called original, the first seasoning I put on, and garlic, granulated garlic. Okay, now I have my seasonings. I'm going to mix that together, and my oil should be hot, so we're going to saute the shrimp. Yeah, we're hot. Now when the shrimp turn orange, they're done. And we're just about done. Just going to flip them one more time. Okay, the shrimp are done. You see that only took a few minutes. And I cooked them in olive oil. Okay, now we're going to saute the vegetables. So I have some scallions I cut up. Some mushrooms. tomatoes. A little oil on that. A little olive oil. Now I'm going to put the same seasonings that I put on the shrimp on the vegetables. So I put the original, the onion, granulated onion, and now garlic. A little more olive oil. Okay, our vegetables are done. On the last flip. Okay, now we're going to put some water in this same frying pan. I'm not going to wash it, okay, because I want all the flavor that's there so that I can cook the ramen noodles in it. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 ounces of water. Okay, we got our 2 ounces of water. I want to scrape up everything on the bottom of the frying pan to get that goodness. Now I have a package of shrimp ramen noodles. Okay, so I have a package of shrimp flavor seasonings here. Turn the fire back on. Now I'm going to add the ramen noodles. Okay, while that's heating up, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is living. Living. Living is not just existing. Living is when you actually wake up and you're excited about starting your day. You're excited about having another day. Living is when you contribute to society. Living is when you did something good for someone and you can tell someone else so that you can spread the word. Living is something that you feel on the inside and you put to action on the outside. Living. That's the word of the day. Are you living? Okay, let's go back to our meal. Okay, our noodles is heating up. You want the noodles to double in size. They swell up a little. I also have some green peas that's going to go in the noodles. I'm going to put maybe half. So that was about, I'd say, a fourth of a cup of green peas. I need some more water. Okay, I'm putting about an ounce of water in. Okay. In about a minute, I'm going to add in our vegetables. The first thing I want to do is taste it. I'm tasting for two reasons: to see if the noodles is done and the flavor. The noodles is not quite done. The flavor is really good. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms and tomatoes and scallions that we cooked. Add that into the mix. I'm going to add the broth that was from the mushrooms and tomatoes, bringing some more flavor. Ah, I see the noodles have doubled in size. Okay, now we're going to add our shrimp. And it's easy as that, guys. Okay, let me plate up. Okay, guys. There we go. You see how I plated it up so it looks very appetizing? That's a good idea if you want to bring it to your table for your family. Treat them special. Okay, let me taste it for you. Can't wait. Okay, guys, let me take a bite. Look at that. So, you know, the noodles was only, I think you get 3 packs for $1. So we're talking maybe, what, 40 cents or something like that for the noodles. And then the shrimp was 8 shrimp. I bought a package of shrimp for $13. I got 8 packages out of it, and it was about 8 shrimp in each package. So you can see again how we're talking pennies. So the whole meal is less than $3. How about that, huh? Okay, let me taste. Okay, I have some noodles and shrimp, mushrooms. This is really, really good. And it would be a home run with the kids, because the kids like ramen noodles. So if you just add the meat and the vegetables, they're going to eat it because they like the ramen noodles. Another way to please them. Oh, so good, guys. The flavor. The best. Okay. Thanks for sharing. Please give it a thumbs up. Share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below. Love you. Bye.